Hi guys, Max from Metro Hobbies. Just thought we'd show you something that we got a sample of or a version of it to have a look at. It's one of Airfix's surprise releases that nobody knew about, and an interesting story I heard was that a lot of the wholesalers in England actually had the stock ready to go as soon as they announced it, so that was pretty cool. So let's have a look. So here it is, guys. This is the new Airfix 72nd scale Me410A-1 U2 and U4. A version of this kit has been out before by other brands and everything else, but this is Airfix's first version. This is such a lovely kit. So let's have a look what's in the box. So as you're coming to expect now, Airfix's glass is just superb. There's a fair bit of glass on this for the upper. I'm told this actually goes together very, very well. So don't panic if it doesn't sort of look as though it's going to fit well. It does. So it's done really, really well. So very nicely done from Airfix. But the actual kit, yeah, look, it's 72nd scale. So obviously the wing size and everything else. But again, Airfix is really starting to come along with this detail and what they're fitting in the kit. They're also looking at how much of it they need to show in each piece and everything else. So it's really well done. Exhaust system there, hubs. I just can't comment on how nicely Airfix has become. The plastic is a little bit harder now compared to their early stuff, which was a little bit soft, but this has become much, much better. That's part of the cannon system there. There's your props. Fuselage, nicely done. And again, in 72nd scale, there's enough detail in there to make it just a lovely, lovely kit. That's the other side. There's your bomb racks and noses and things like that. All the rest of the bits and pieces. Instruction booklet, usual style now that we're getting used to, is the layout for that style. Again, very simplified, very easy to read. Not a lot of hard work to work out. So that's quite nicely done. Paint guide, two choices. That one or that one. Very similar looking schemes, but there you go. I believe there's a whole lot of decals coming out for this thing anyway. And that's your decal sheet. You're up to their usual standard. Their decal sheets, decals are getting really, really nice. I had built something recently and the decal just went on beautifully. So if this is their standard now for decals, then it's great. So there you go, guys. That's something else that's coming out, the new 72nd scale Me410. If you're looking at doing an order for it or everything else, please contact us. Come and have a look at this. Come and talk to us in the stores. We are open in the CED to take orders, things like that, or jump online. Have a look, put an order in. Hopefully we'll get them in 6 weeks for you. So have a great day. Talk to you then. See you later.